Warren Buffett's investment strategies, unlocking the secrets of Berkshire Hathaway's Q3 portfolio. The Oracle of Omaha's latest moves have the market buzzing. Berkshire Hathaway's Q3 2025 portfolio update reveals a fascinating shift in strategy. With a staggering $267 billion in assets, Buffett's top holdings include Apple, American Express, Bank of America, Coca-Cola, and Chevron. But here's where it gets interesting. Buffett made some bold moves this quarter. He initiated a new position in Alphabet, the parent company of Google, while completely exiting his position in BYD. This move has analysts scratching their heads, as BYD has been a long-term holding for Berkshire. Additionally, he increased stakes in Chubb, Domino, and Sirius, signaling confidence in these companies. And this is the part most investors are curious about. Buffett continued to trim his positions in Apple and Bank of America, two of his largest holdings. However, he maintained substantial stakes in American Express, Coca-Cola, and Chevron, indicating a long-term commitment to these brands. This mix of adjustments showcases Buffett's focus on a concentrated portfolio, selective investments, and active management, especially within the financial and consumer sectors. This article is a deep dive into the mind of one of the world's most successful investors, offering insights into his quarterly decisions. It's based on the 13F form filed by Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway. Link: https://www.sec.gov/archives/edgar/data/106798300011931252829001/ 00011931225-25-2829001-index.htm. Disclaimer: the analyst writing this piece has a long-term interest in the success of MCO, GOOGL, V-Series, and Amazon, through various investment vehicles. This article reflects their personal opinions and is not sponsored content. As always, past performance is not indicative of future results, and investment decisions should be made with caution. What do you think of Warren Buffett's latest portfolio adjustments? Are these moves indicative of a broader strategy shift, or just a quarterly rebalancing? Share your thoughts in the comments below.